good morning. So can you even see me? It's a bit dark in the background, so that's probably why. But I'm going to site now this morning. I was out last night, a few drinks, and yeah, I'm not again this morning. So I'm pretty proud of myself, and I actually feel 100% like I don't feel tired or hung up. Well, I mean, I'm tired because I'm just been working so much, but not because of the last night. And it was such a nice vibe, and it was so like just like nice. You know, it was a worthwhile going out, if that makes sense. It wasn't like I regret that I didn't need to go. But yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it. So I'm going to go to the salt dock, get a coffee for me and my client. And yeah, that's what's going on. And then I have a few stops to do on the way in then, and I have to film a few videos today. So I'll keep you posted. You see your little collar with the flower on it? You see what it's like? I tried to do a cool kind of transition and you know walking clip, but I just don't think it worked. So yeah, I'm going for coffee now. So let's go. Because what was that? 1 second now. I can't catch a break. I cannot catch a break. Oh, anyway, I have to go back inside because I have to bring the coffee cup I had yesterday and put it to the bin because I'm not bringing it with me in the car. So, see you in a second. Just 1 minute. Hi. Hi. So it's been a couple of days, obviously. And obviously I didn't vlog any of that weekend, but that's fine. You know, I just like to be in the moment, and I was in the moment, and I enjoyed myself. But it's back to reality today, back to the grind, back to the hustle. I was at site this morning, so I came back there just to pack up all my stuff, because I'm going back to Galway now. And on my way back to Galway, I have to go in and get the wallpaper, pick samples for tiles, and do a few bits. So, you know, I'll bring you along to that portion of my work. And I might give you a sneak peek at one of my designs. They're upcoming. But yeah, let's go! Hello! So I'm on the road again. Oh my god, you haven't seen me. Lol. I've had a very busy day today. I was down at meeting a client, finalised the colour selections for the kitchen, and then I stopped in to pick out the kind of carcass colours, and I'm in Alaska got my haircut, and it's coming 2 o'clock now, and I'm on my way back to Galway. I have to get a full kitchen sign done before I finish work, which is really fun. Oh sugar, I better go. Okay, I'm just finishing up at work now. It's 8 o'clock. And I'm exhausted, but I'll give you a quick look at my outfit today. This is it. I got this new blazer and these new trousers. These are Dickies, I think. Yeah, Dickies, and then this is Char Collusion, which was overpriced because the quality is just shit, and you get like an actual proper blazer for the same price. So won't be getting a blazer from Collusion again because it's overpriced for what it was. But I'll give you a sneak peek at one of the concept kind of colour schemes that I'm working on at the moment. So we have this for inside. This is the door colour, not this handle, but like, you know, more of a brass kind of bronze tone. And then it's the walls, the worktop. This is like the original kind of idea for the kind of carcass, which I really love this colour, but you can't get it as a carcass. So something like this we're looking at now. And yeah, that's a little sneak peek at one of kitchens I'm doing as part of my interior design stuff. So yeah, it's very exciting. It's going to be a stunning kitchen, and I'm very excited to show you the entire process. So if you're not subscribed, do subscribe. But I'm going home now because I need to eat. I need to eat. I need to eat, I'm starving. And then back in again tomorrow. The grind isn't stop. I'm filming a video tomorrow as well. I don't really know what I want to film yet, because I don't know, I'm kind of getting bored of the reaction ones, not going to lie. Nothing's really kind of sparking my interest. I'm trying to think of like a new way to kind of do videos, because like some of them are just kind of, I'm not as excited to do them anymore, if that makes sense. And I don't really get enough time to actually do them, if that makes sense also. So yeah, that's where my mindset is right now. But yeah, I'm going heading home. So I'll talk to you tomorrow, I suppose. Hi, before this next clip plays, I just want to clarify, oh, we're in the same blazer again. This is not the next day. This is, I'm pretty sure, about 3 or 4 days after that. And yes, I repeated my outfit because you know what, that's realistic. So that's just to bear some context there. It's a different day. Okay, roll the clip. Hello, how are you today? I'm amazing. Yeah, that will do. That will do. So I just went and got myself coffee and a little treat. I mean, I should have got a napkin or something, but I mean, it's like this chocolate thing. Let me just taste and see what it tastes like. Oh my god. That's actually very good. I didn't really know how it was going to taste, but very, very nice, I must say. So, what am I up to? I haven't talked to you in a hot minute. I've just been busy with life and stuff, you know. Let me have a look at my calendar and see. We're going over to England in a week or so, I think it is. Rescheduled all my YouTube videos because I want to upload twice a week again. And it means me filming a lot more, but I'm like trying to carve out time for that, but I'm going to do it because I want to upload twice a week. So yeah, I've scheduled all of them out for the next month. I've got my new design talk guest booked, which is amazing, and I'm obsessed, obsessed with her. I'm finishing up one of my projects next weekend, which is very exciting, and then I have another project finishing in October, another one finishing in November, and then I have another one finishing in January and February, and then I'm starting a new one in January, and I'm starting a lot in January actually. I say it out loud, but yeah, it's only the beginning. It's only the beginning, and that's what we're up to. I'm just gonna give you a quick clip of my coffee. This is my coffee. This is an oat milk latte, and they done from the grind, and they done a really cool latte art. Oh, well, it's kind of gone now, but they done like a heart, just so cute. So I was just finished this kitchen design, which I think is really cool, but I'm not going to show you it because it's top secret information. Yeah, and then I'm going back to Ackle this evening. I don't know what was going on there, but it just wasn't focusing and it wasn't letting me do anything. But yeah, I'm going back to Ackle this evening. I'm going for a few drinks this evening. Going to have a sleep in tomorrow because I haven't had one in like so long. And normally every Sunday I'm working, but this Sunday I didn't book anything, so you know what that means. Anyway guys, so I'll let you go because I have to go back to work. Hey guys, so so we're going down to the movie set today because we have a casting call in the new movie. Yeah, I know, it's pretty cool. That's what we're doing now. It's down here. Okay, it's okay, we're going down to see it. See you in a bit.
So this is the set. This is where James is hoping to make his big break. Wow, that's so cool.
Vogue, 22 Cousins of Vogue. So here we have before this clip plays, this is a very exciting moment for me. This is the moment of me signing my papers to fully form my limited company, which is JMC Studios Limited. So it's very exciting. That's basically what these clips are. I just want to have them recorded just so I can remember this for the rest of my life, because this is the day that I fully formed my own company. This is a huge moment for me because this is something I've been working on for, oh gosh, like a long time. When I first decided to create an interior design business, I wanted to wait until I had the clientele and the consistency and enough of a income stream to justify making a limited company, because I didn't want to form a company and then forget about it and come back to it in like a year's time. This moment right here is me promising myself that I'm going to keep at this. Now this is me, this is my future right here, these papers. This is going to be my legacy, is JMC Studios, and as corny as that sounds, this is this is that moment. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who has supported me and got me to this stage, because I know it's only signing a few sheets of paper, and anyone can do it, but for me this is a big moment because I know the significance of this for myself. So yeah, thank you. And that's it done. Company formed. James being James, I forgot to even introduce this segment. I don't know why. I think I probably went to the first shop and said, okay, I'll do it when I come out. And then I went to the next shop and I said, I'll do it when I come out. I'm very busy. And this was on a Monday, I think. I was in Achill on a Sunday. And then I was going back up to Galway on the Monday. But I normally do all my interior design stuff on the Monday. So I go to site, I do all my shopping, I do all my sourcing on the Monday. Yes, it's a lot to fit in one day. But I do it. So I went to Easy Living first because I was looking for dining chairs, I think it was. Yes, it was dining chairs, and I was also, you know, having a little nosy and seeing what furniture was out there. Then I went into William Coffey and Sons in Westport to look at worktops for one of my projects, and it's a fireplace. You'll see that soon. Okay, and as you can see by the sign, I went into a fire shop also because I'm looking for a fire to go into the quartz fireplace. And it's a very specific one my client wants. It's an Optimist one. Very expensive, but they're very cool. So I went in just to see what they're like and estimate delivery dates, etc., but they don't have any heat. So I'm waiting for the ones that to come in with heat so I can see kind of how the heat works, etc., as you can see by these clips.